welcome back to my channel. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just doing my serum, and I'm loving this serum from Fiji. It's a really hydrating serum and it's lightweight. And then I put on this Jason Vitamin E oil as a base because it gives me a luminous look. And then I have an oily T-zone, so for my oily girls I like to powder before foundation because it helps with the oil throughout the day. So for some reason my foundation is picking up very yellow on camera, but I want to reassure you that it's not. I love this foundation from Maybelline. It's a full coverage foundation, it's buildable, and also guys, it's £7.99 in Boots right now. So I know it retails for around £9 for my UK girls and boys, but also it's just a great foundation, drugstore foundation. I've also been really loving this e.l.f. concealer. I have it in 4 shades, and this is my favorite shade to use, and it's in the shade 10 Sand. And I just pop that baby all over the high points of my face as a concealer, and then I'm going to add on later in the video a highlighting shade, which is just a tad bit lighter with a peach undertone. So this is something that I do to help with my eyeshadow stain and be more vibrant throughout the day. I put concealer, it doesn't matter any concealer, but this is the best one I use, the e.l.f. one that I just used around my face, and it really helps bring the colors out and make them more vibrant. the funny thing is I completely forgot that I didn't even do one of my brows. And it wasn't until the last minute after I looked in the mirror and I realized something was wrong when I started doing this. That's why I'm doing my brows so late in the whole process. Thank you so much for watching this, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and click on the notification bell to not miss out on my uploads. Love you. Bye.